Buying Amazon pallets. Purchasing Amazon return pallets in the US is a popular way to buy bulk merchandise at discounted prices. These pallets typically contain returned, overstocked, or unsold Amazon products, making them a great option for resellers and bargain hunters. However, understanding the process, risks, and best buying strategies is essential before making a purchase. 1. What are Amazon return pallets? Amazon return pallets are bundled shipments of returned or excess inventory sold in bulk at liquidation prices. Items may include electronics, clothing, home goods, and toys. Conditions vary from new and unopened to used, refurbished, or damaged. Pallets are sold at a fraction of the retail price, offering potential profit for resellers. 2. Where to buy Amazon pallets in the US? Direct liquidation and wholesale suppliers, Amazon liquidation auctions. Amazon's official liquidation platform selling return pallets via auctions. Wholesale liquidation companies. Companies that buy Amazon returns in bulk and resell them as pallets or truckloads. General liquidation platforms. Websites that offer return pallets from multiple retailers, including Amazon. Local and physical wholesale options. Warehouse liquidation centers. Some wholesalers operate warehouses where you can inspect pallets in person before buying. Flea markets and discount stores. Some businesses sell liquidation pallets directly to consumers. 3. How much do Amazon pallets cost? Small pallets range from $200 to $500 depending on product type. Medium-sized pallets range from $500 to $1,500, often containing higher value items. Full truckloads can cost $5,000 or more, ideal for large-scale resellers. Shipping costs vary based on location and pallet size. 4. Are Amazon return pallets profitable? Yes, if you can resell the items at a good margin. No, if too many items are damaged or unsellable. Profit depends on careful selection, proper pricing, and resale strategy. 5. Risks of buying Amazon pallets. Unknown item conditions. Some products may be defective or missing parts. No refunds or guarantees. Pallets are sold as is, meaning no returns or exchanges. Reselling challenges. Some items may be hard to sell or require refurbishment. 6. How to minimize risk. When buying Amazon pallets, start small. Buy 1 or 2 pallets first to test quality. Research the supplier. Ensure they have good reviews and transparent listings. Check for manifests. Some sellers provide detailed lists of included items, reducing risk. Plan resale strategies. Sell through online marketplaces, local stores, or flea markets. 7. Who should buy Amazon pallets? Resellers looking for discounted inventory. Small business owners wanting to stock products. Individuals looking for bulk deals on various items. Buying Amazon return pallets in the US can be a profitable venture, but careful research, supplier selection, and resale planning are essential. If done correctly, it can be a great way to source discounted products for resale or personal use.